The Dragon Challenge is TFT's newest and most affordable challenge yet. The Dragon Challenge is a 3-phase challenge designed to provide flexibility and affordability to everyone. It also gives you the ability to receive a payout every 7 days. Traders have unlimited days to reach a profit target of only 8% for Phase 1 and 5% for Phase 2 and 3, but remember to stay within the 5% daily and 10% overall drawdown limits. Here are some important things to note about the challenge. Once funded, receive your first payout in only 7 days. No minimum trading days. There is no time limit. Trade at ease and at your own pace. EAs and trade copiers are allowed. Drawdown is balance-based. During the challenge, weekend and news trading is allowed. With the Dragon Challenge, you'll be eligible for a 75% profit split with the ability to scale up to 95%. With the swing account option, you will be able to continue to trade news once funded. If you have any questions or need further information, do not hesitate to reach out. Seize this opportunity, join us now, and start building your kingdom.